Welcome. In this guide, you'll learn exactly how to edit the location on your Facebook page's cover photo using the latest update on your PC. Whether you want your page to better represent your business, community, or personal brand, updating the location is quick and simple. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your pages and manage their settings. Next, look for your profile photo at the top of the page. Give it a click. This opens up a menu showing your pages and some shortcut options. From here, select the specific page where you want to edit the location. Once you're on your page, take a look at the very top where your cover photo is displayed. Now, click directly on the cover photo. This should bring up more options underneath the image, making it easy to manage all your page visuals. Beneath the cover photo, you'll see 3 dots arranged horizontally. Click on these dots to open a menu with additional settings. Within this menu, choose the option labeled Edit Location. This feature lets you modify the display location linked to your cover photo, making sure your followers and visitors see up-to-date information. If your page already has a location set, you'll notice the current one appears in the Edit window. Go ahead and remove the old location. Simply highlight it and delete, or use the available option to clear it out. Now it's time to choose your new location. Begin typing the name or address of the place you want to display. Facebook will suggest possible matches as you type. Simply select your preferred option from the suggestions. Once you're satisfied with your new location, confirm and save the changes. The updated location will now show up on your page cover, instantly letting people know where you're based or what location you want to highlight. That's it. Your Facebook page is now up to date with your chosen location front and center on the cover photo, helping you connect even better with your audience.